The next step is to create this boss in the middle here. We start with making a cylinder and then we'll round it over. So the cylinder, we can use the gouge that we've used elsewhere to just run round in a circle like so, allowing it to make its sweep and create a circle. So there's that's going to be our boss like that. And I'm going to set that in by stabbing down with a mallet. And then we can take out this piece of wood here. This is an interesting exercise if you can follow round like this. So we take out that bit, then we repeat it. Now this is a tool that I use for this petal here, and it's a right sort of sweep to come round in a big circle and take out a big angle cut round here. If you can't do it like that, then by all means cut in like this, down at an angle. You don't want to go too deep, but we do need to leave a nice rounded boss. So we're here about a quarter of an inch, 6mm out. Make that a little bit bigger perhaps. Around this side here. There we go. And then we can round over this little boss here with the fishtail gouge, working downhill. One side and then the other. And the flatter fishtail gouge we use for these little sections at the side, the little deltas, we can just skim off the top here. So we'll work this over, get this nice and round here. And then just finally make sure this is a nice tight junction to the boss in the middle. So whether you go round like I've been doing, or whether you come in from the side here, this is what you're trying to create. Boss in the middle with a hard angle round there for the moment. Here's the boss finished. There's a little bit of the wood from the original surface still here. Tight junction round the edge of the boss and a nice sharp angle in here. Keep it clean.